Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of marketing with a focus on innovation. We're going to explore how you can use Canva to create eye-catching and effective marketing campaigns that stand out. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this video is packed with tips to help you boost your brand using Canva. Let's get started. Building a strong visual identity. First things first, let's talk about the power of a strong visual identity. Canva makes it easy to create consistent branding across all your marketing materials. Start by selecting or customizing a brand kit in Canva, where you can set your brand colors, fonts, and logos. This ensures that everything from your social media posts to your email campaigns looks cohesive and instantly recognizable. Remember, a strong visual identity is key to making a lasting impression. Creating engaging social media content. Next up, social media. Canva is a goldmine for creating engaging social media content that grabs attention. Try using Canva's animated templates to add some motion to your posts. They're perfect for catching the eye as users scroll through their feeds. You can also use Canva to design Instagram stories, Facebook ads, and Twitter banners that are both on-brand and visually appealing. With Canva's vast library of elements, the possibilities are endless. Designing interactive campaigns. Now, let's elevate your marketing with interactive campaigns. Canva allows you to design quizzes, polls, and other interactive content that can drive engagement. For example, you can create a "Which product suits you best?" quiz for your audience. Design each question slide in Canva, then use a third-party tool to link them together. This kind of interactive content not only engages your audience but also provides valuable insights into their preferences. Crafting impactful email marketing designs. Email marketing is another area where Canva shines. You can design eye-catching email headers, promotional graphics, and even entire email templates directly in Canva. Once you've created your design, simply download it and upload it into your email marketing platform. A well-designed email can significantly increase your click-through rates and drive more traffic to your website or landing pages. And that's a wrap on how to create innovative marketing campaigns using Canva. From building a strong visual identity to crafting engaging social media content and impactful emails, Canva has all the tools you need to elevate your marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tricks on taking your brand to the next level. Thanks for watching, Genius Junkies, and keep creating!